Welcome to Poco TV, the happiest place to play and learn.
Welcome to the Magic Box Quiz. Inside this magic box, anything can appear. Listen to the clues, guess the object, and say your answer out loud. Are you ready? Let's open the magic box and begin the fun. This box is bouncing up and down. Something round is inside. It rolls and you can play with it. What's inside the box? It is a ball. Great guessing. This box looks soft and fluffy inside. You can cuddle it. It has cute ears. What's inside the box? It is a teddy bear. Amazing job! This box feels flat. You can read it. It has pages. What's inside the box? It is a book. Brilliant! This box is full of colors. You can draw and paint with them. What's inside the box? It is a box of crayons. Well done! This box is moving fast. Something with wheels. It goes vroom, vroom. What's inside the box? It is a toy car. Awesome! This box goes choo-choo. Something with coaches. It runs on tracks. What's inside the box? It is a toy train. Great answer! This box has wiggly shapes. They fit together and you use them to make a picture. What's inside the box? It is a puzzle piece. Fantastic! This box squeaks. It floats in water. It's yellow and cute. What's inside the box? It is a rubber duck. Super job! This box spins and twirls. It goes up and down on a string. What's inside the box? It is a yo-yo! Great job! This box wants to fly. It has a tail. It soars high in the sky. What's inside the box? It is a kite. Amazing! This box zooms through the air. It has wings and a tail. What's inside the box? It is a toy airplane. Awesome! This box goes boom, boom. You can hit it with sticks. What's inside the box? It is a drum. Fantastic! This box moves and beeps. It has arms and legs. What's inside the box? It is a toy robot. Super job! This box floats. It sails on water. What's inside the box? It is a toy boat. Well done! This box is soft and has long ears. You can hug it. What's inside the box? It is a stuffed rabbit. Great job! This box sparkles. It waves and makes magic. What's inside the box? It is a magic wand. Amazing! This box has cubes and rectangles. You can stack and build towers. What's inside the box? It is toy blocks. Awesome! Thanks for watching!